Or
yes,
you can...
what color is that base color?
Huh?
The base color.
Oh, thank you, Eric. The base color? What the base color? Light brass? It's like a nude pink, like natural pink, I think. Thank you so much, Light brass. Look. I'm playing with this sticker. Like, you know how like this so cool and so simple, stunning. We're gonna do some chant before later, but I'm obsessed with this one today. Look. Okay, top coat and you be done. This thing, what else can you do? That cute.
Some red in the middle. That's all you need. Or pink.
No, opal.
Okay.
I have my what is that, Easter mix bag here. I'm gonna play with this. You'd be surprised what we can come up with this. I have some pieces here. Okay, good. I'm going to using condensed glue gels. It just, I want to share with you a so simple fun with, if you don't have chant before, you can play with stickers and you can create a lot of different fun. Sorry. Really, the condensed glue gel is really thick density, so each time you just need a smaller amount. You don't want to be too thick, you don't want to be too thin. This one is no wipe top coat. This no wipe top coat right here is the second step of the 3-step methods. Oh, we took it away.
Silver emerald borders. So no, we don't cure at every step. So you're gonna have your condensed glue on, then no white top coat. Then you're gonna put all your crystal on and then cure all at once. Once you're done with your design.
Oh, thank you. Give it. I'm using size SS6 and SS, I think it SS6 and SS8 or SS5, smaller to going with this because I just don't want to take away from the beauty of the kind of apps like a RC look. Sorry if you can't see it. I try to keep the nails to be flat. How's everyone doing? Friday is going to be Saturday soon. I'm gonna do some gold beads in here. Can I get, sorry everyone, I have everything on my side, but I have only like tiny little space. I just don't want to spill it again. All right.
Got it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to manage it.
There's more.
I'm good. Thank you. I make sure that I get in this on the screen for all of you. Good. I'm telling you, like, it's my personal experience. I said it's so freaking easy and stunning. How it's like, look like you are drawing it really fine line, but you are not. Just cute, simple stickers, and it's so fun to play with. And it's so easy to design with this design. Can't wait. I was in a meeting, so that's why I was missing like Sarah live earlier. I can't wait to watch her. I'm relaxing, my allergy are acting up. Watching you. Emery board nails. Hey Jennifer. Hey love, how are you? I hope you're feeling better. Did you take any of allergy medications, Emery board? I do have that. Sometimes it acting up me too, and I have to take Zyrtec, I think. And then one of the allergy medication that I take is just like out the counter from Target. It works the best for me than any other, so it'd be amazed, you know. I know that how it happened, because like, so you don't have to do all the beads. If you want to, you can put the beads on it. You don't have to fill them all, but if you fill them, you can fill them in it like in a different spot. And also, if the clients don't want anything, then you just cure it. But if you want to add it on, you can just wrap it around. And add just a little bit on the end. Again with the nails. So much fun to play with this, and we have the beads is I like this size of the beads. It's perfect. It's not too small, also it's not too big. Really perfect size to play with. Just a few more over there. How did I do that? Did I touch it? I actually didn't touch it. Wait a minute, I might accidentally touch that. It's like kind of a really fun, but it's also tedious. Tiny little things, but I like it because with this design you can't have it's like all over busy on it, and you know me, I would really like pulling it out. Just like and we'll do it on the top. I'm just using size SS6, 6 and 5. Some of them are 4. Some of them are 3. So the smaller is better. In this case, we don't want to be too thick. I just love it. It's just so detailed. Alright, so I'm going to do some gold bead on this. And to be careful not touching it because I think I did touch it earlier. Alright, looks so fun. I have all ideas, but then when I see you all here, it's always something is fun coming up, so I'm not afraid to try something new to do this. Alright, so if you're happy with this, we're going to cure this for 60 seconds.